Hello BIM learners, welcome to BIMmodeler.com. In this video tutorial, we're going to see a very simple tool, and most of us we don't use it. When it comes to the floor plan, you will be able to see that we can go to the 3D and we will be able to see the objects, and we will be able to select the object, and we will be able to go to the section box and we can see the object. This is how we usually see the model. But when you see a plan and you will have a section view or detail view, any views that you have, and you will be able to see them in 3D like this and or in section view like this. If you wanted to see the same section view in 3D, you have to go to the 3D option and you will be able to right click on the view cube you have, and you will be able to go to the orient to the view option in a particular floor view or in particular elevation or in particular section. So I have a section 1 which is like this. If I click that, automatically it comes to that particular view. And you will be able to rotate it. Now, if you see that whatever the area which the section covers, automatically it shows that particular 3D view as a section box. I hope this tutorial helped you. And if you need any other tools which is available here and there, if you don't know, you let us know in the comment. We will be able to create a tutorial for you with your name. So thank you so much. Do subscribe and share it with your learning friends. It's a series of 100 days challenge. We are making it happen. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.